I would love to thank you, God, for this new day. I'm grateful for another chance and day to live my life, to enrich my life, as well as the lives of everyone connected with me. I'm grateful to my parents for giving me such a wonderful life, such a wonderful education. Throughout my life, they supported me and always loved me. Without their encouragement, I might not be what I am today. I'm so grateful to God for the perfect health He has given me, for the sunlight, for the air, for water, which nourishes me. I'm grateful to God for the food on the table, clean drinking water, clothes in the closets, transportations, phone. I'm thankful to God for the perfect life partner He has given me, who loves me, cares for me, understands me, whom emotionally and spiritually nourishes me. Thank you, God, for the wonderful siblings I have, as they are always there by my side in good times as well as bad phases of life. Thank you, God, for all the mentors, all the teachers, all the gurus I have had since childhood, who taught me all along my life, which has shaped my life. Thank you, God, for such a comfortable and lovely home that you have given me. Thank you for all the gadgets, all the furniture it has, which makes my life comfortable. I'm thankful for the difficult times, as during those times I grow. I'm thankful for my limitations because they give me opportunities to improve. I'm thankful for each new challenge because it builds my strength and character. I'm thankful for my mistakes as they teach me the valuable lessons. I'm thankful for these magical sessions as I learn gratitude and practice gratitude, which turns my life into positive and a blessing and fills my life with richness of love, acceptance, peace, joy, and eternal happiness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you for doing this gratitude statement so beautifully. Thank you, and we love you. Yeah, blessings to all. Yes. So, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So, when we are grateful, we can attract lots of miracles in our life, and the magic happens in our life. So, that we need to do. So, beautiful way to start and end of the day with gratitude. So, the yesterday, the chapter was that you have to write down 10 blessings, then take 100 magical steps for 90 seconds, and to show gratitude, say thank you on each step. How many of you done it, and what is your experience? Yes, who would like to share?
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes, please.
मैम आई डिड दिस एक्सरसाइज और मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा था कि जब मैं स्टेप्स ले रही थी
Hmm.
तो पहले तो थोड़ा टाइम नहीं पर उसके बाद एकदम से ना एक अच्छी सी फीलिंग आनी शुरू हो गई अपने अंदर और उसके बाद जब हम स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं और उसके साथ थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक कि मैं ना अपने गोल्स जो सारा कुछ उनकी तरफ जा रही हूँ एंड आई एम अचीविंग दोस्त सो इट वाज अ ग्रेट फीलिंग एंड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था और उसके बाद तो मैं जब भी अब उठती हूँ चलती हूँ तो आई स्टार्ट लाइक जहां भी चाहे एक स्टेप लिया दो स्टेप लिया तो आई स्टार्ट साथ में थैंक यू अपना जरूर बोलती हूँ
Very nice. Very nice. Who else would like to share? Good evening, Sujata.
हेलो मैम, आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
बिल्कुल आ रही है जी। मेरी स्वीट आवाज हमारे तक बहुत आराम से पहुंच जाती है।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ओके। अरे मैं ना अभी वैसे ही कुछ काम कर रही थी ना, तो मेरा टारगेट जो मैंने डिसाइड कर रखा है ना, बड़ा सा टारगेट, तो मेरे को दिमाग में एक लाइन याद आई। वो एक कार्टून आता था ना बचपन में, बॉब द बिल्डर करके दिखाएंगे। तो वो मुझे याद आ गया, तो मैं वही रिपीट कर रही थी बार बार।
यस,
तो उससे मुझे बहुत एनर्जी मिली, मजा आ गया।
ऐसे ही होता है, यही कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स ही तुम्हें और एनकरेज करते हैं ना।
उनके पास क्या होता था, डेडलाइन होती थी, ये घर बनाना है, फिर वो शुरू आते फिर बोलते थे बॉब द बिल्डर करके दिखाएंगे।
यस यस
तो हम भी करके दिखाएंगे, सारे के सारे मैजिशियंस।
यस, everybody is on. Now, how
मैजिक
anybody
इज
would
ऑन।
like to share the experience of walking by saying thank you, thank you, thank you, 100 steps? Would like to share? No?
Ma'am, when I did this this step experiment,
Yeah.
so I felt that was the first time I had my awareness over my legs and my foot actually. So each time when I was telling thank you, the only thing which it came from in my mind was actually we are so lucky that we have good legs and good feet, so that today we are able to bless ourselves with a thank you note, and that made me awareness that we are really lucky and we should be gratitude for everything what we have in our life now. So this was a new opening for me actually.
Thank you, Nagesh. Thank you for sharing that. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Who else would like to share? It's a
Yeah,
different
I would like to share.
altogether. Yeah.
Yeah, normally when we start this practice, we have an anxious feeling कि बाबा क्या करना है, anxious about the steps to be taken. अभी कितने जन को gratitude देना है, क्या करना है, मेरे पास सिर्फ 100 steps है, क्यों ना मैं 200 steps करूँ? Because there are so many things which has added, अभी एक के बाद एक add होते जा रहा है. So that was the anxious feeling. Then it kept on coming inside. Our list kept on increasing and increasing. After we did that, it was like it led to a positive self renewing feedback. मतलब कैसा है कि like we got a resistance to that negativity feeling. मतलब अभी कुछ भी negative होता है तो ऐसा लगता है नहीं होने वाला है. Because earlier it was like we are always human nature ऐसा tendency ऐसा है कि कुछ भी negative पहले सोचते हैं. कभी भी positive नहीं होता है. So when you start doing these steps, it feels कि like you are one step ahead of that negative. It is always positive for you.
Yeah, very good. Very,
That
very
was.
good. And did you feel that when you are walking, you get that strength from the ground?
Yeah,
That
yeah,
strength.
because the first 10 steps is like you are very slow with it, but when it comes to the next steps, it is like you are grounded very well.
Yes.
So like you are grounded to the floor, you're grounded to the earth, you feel yourself more involved in it.
Yes. So keep on doing it, keep on practicing it. And there is a wonderful, feeling when you say thank you whenever you're walking. It's amazing. It's
Yeah,
actually.
true, true.
Thank you for sharing that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anybody else? Or we should proceed? So let us proceed. So gratitude can transform common days into Thanksgiving, your routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. तो आज का जो अब चैप्टर है वो कुछ नहीं है, था हार्ट मैजिक है. हार्ट मैजिक यानी कि हार्ट जिसके अंदर मैजिक बसता है. ग्रैटिट्यूड इज अ मेमोरी ऑफ हार्ट. ग्रैटिट्यूड मेमोरी है हार्ट की. तो रोज ग्रैटिट्यूड करना बहुत जरूरी है. राइट. So, who's going to read today? Tanvi. Tanvi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, let's start. Thank you for taking the initiative. You can start reading.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Day 20, Heart Magic. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. Jean Baptiste Massieu, 1743 to 1818, French Revolution activist. You might have figured out by now that with any magical practice of gratitude, The aim is always to feel it as much as you can. This is because when you increase the feeling of gratitude on the inside, the things you have to be grateful for in the outside world increase too.
Now, remember always, when the intensity of gratitude is inside your heart, you will see the difference in outside world also, right? एक वो छोटी सी स्टोरी आपने जरूर सुनी होगी कि एक बंदा की चाबी खो गई और वो बाहर लैंप में चाबी ढूंढ रहा है। तो उसका दोस्त आया, उसने पूछा उससे कि तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? तो उसने बोला मैं चाबी ढूंढ रहा हूँ। अच्छा, वो भी ढूंढने लग गया उसके साथ, लेकिन चाबी नहीं मिली। उससे उसने पूछा, चाबी तुमने लास्ट चाबी कहाँ देखी थी तुमने अपनी चाबी? कहता है चाबी तो मैंने अपने कमरे में देखी थी। कहता तो कमरे में चाबी देखी थी तो तुम बाहर क्यों ढूंढ रहा है? कहता क्योंकि अंदर लाइट नहीं है, बाहर लाइट है, तो इसलिए मैं बाहर ढूंढ रहा हूँ। मेरा बेवकूफ है, बाहर कैसे ढूंढ रहा है? जब तुम्हारी चाबी अंदर खोई है तो तुम अंदर ढूंढना, बाहर कैसे ढूंढ रहा है चाबी? It's the same thing with us, you know. We find out the solution outside world, whereas the key is inside us. हमारे अपने अंदर अगर ग्रैटिट्यूड है, हमारे अपने अंदर अगर प्यार है, हमारे अपने अंदर हैप्पीनेस है, तो ही हमें बाहर दुनिया में हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी, रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगी, लव मिलेगा. सो the things start from your inside. So it is from you. Everything starts from you and ends on you. So always find out the key of your inner self, then you will see the changes happening outside world. Yeah, please go ahead.
Eventually, after practicing gratitude for a long period of time, you will automatically feel it deeply in your heart. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level. The heart magic practice is designed to powerfully increase the depths that you feel gratitude by focusing your mind on the area of your heart as you say and feel the magic words thank you. Scientific research has shown that by focusing on your heart as you feel gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes much more even and harmonious, resulting in major improvements to your immune system and health. That gives you an idea of power of heart magic. It takes a little practice that first time you try it, but it is worth the effort. After a few times, you will get it, and each time you practice it, your feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially. To practice heart magic, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. It doesn't matter if you focus on the inside or the outside of your body. Close your eyes because it will make it easier. And while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words thank you. Once you have practiced it a few times, you won't need to close your eyes anymore. But as a general rule, you will feel more gratitude when you close your eyes.
Okay, why do we have to close your eye? What is the main aim for closing our eyes?
And to
focus.
activate the chakra.
Okay. What else?
Is it to get increased focus and concentration?
Okay. How do you increase focus and concentration? By just closing your eyes.
Because you just have that one thing and you in front of your vision. Like you don't necessarily have to have your eyes open to see. From your third eye you can see. So when you close your eyes, the third eye it opens up and the vision is there right in front of your third eye, and the concentration increases.
Okay, what does eyes do?
Ma'am, is it that we are disconnecting from the outside world and looking inside?
Yes. Basically, when we are looking from our eyes, you know. So what we are saying, हमारे eyes जिस जिस चीज को देखे उसके thoughts आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So when you close your eyes, you are shutting down the outside world जो दिख रहा है हमारे को. वो इनपुट है ना हमारी हमारी आंखों के लिए. तो जब वो आईज बंद हो जाती है तो बाहर की दुनिया हमारे लिए बंद हो जाती है. सो वी कैन एक्चुअली फोकस इन आवर इनर वर्ल्ड. तो वो हम अपने अंदर महसूस कर सकते हैं. हम आंखों, वो आंख देखो 5 सेंसेस तो है ही. तो एक सेंस अगर हम बंद कर रहे हैं तो बाकी बाकी हम फोकस कहाँ कर सकते हैं. वी आर, इट इज इजी टू फोकस फ्रॉम टू द इनर वर्ल्ड. So that is why we close our eyes, so that the intensity of gratitude is increased. So that is why we close our eyes. Yes.
There are several things you can do to help you get heart magic down really quickly. You can put your right hand on the area around your heart to keep your mind focused there while you say the magic words thank you, or you can imagine that the magic words thank you are coming out of your heart rather than your mind as you say them. As part of today's magical practice, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic on each desire. Read each desire in your mind or out loud, and when you get to the end of reading each one, close your eyes, focus your mind on the area around your heart, keep your mind on your heart area, and say the magic words again. Thank you. Slowly. Again, you can use the tips I have given above if it helps you. After you have finished heart magic on each of your desires, you will have not only increased the depth of gratitude you are able to reach, you will also have dramatically increased your gratitude for your top desires. You can continue to practice heart magic on your desires regularly if you want to speed up the receiving of them, or you can use heart magic anytime you say the magic words thank you. Even just using heart magic a couple of times a day will have a big effect on your happiness and on the magic in your life. Once you have practiced heart magic a few times, you will feel a huge increase in the depth of your feeling. And with the gratitude, it's all about the depth of feeling, because the deeper the feeling, the greater the abundance you will receive. The initial physical sign that you have increased the depth of your feeling could be that you get a tingling feeling around your heart, or feeling a wave of joy rush through your body. Your eyes may fill with tears, or you may get goosebumps, but without exception, you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness you have never felt before. Magic practice number 20. Heart magic. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Number 2. Focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. Number 3, close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words thank you. Number 4, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic by reading each desire, then closing your eyes, focusing your mind on the area around your heart, and slowly saying thank you again. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Tanvi. Thank you for reading so beautifully. Thank you. Thank you. So today is heart magic and designed to powerfully increase the depth. आपकी feeling, आपका हमने last time भी कई बारी हमने बात की है, when we really want success in our life. So what we need to do, we need to have 3H with us. So when we talk about 3H is one is your head, second is your heart, and three
Heart.
is your
hand.
तो ये तीन कैसे कनेक्टेड है? हेड मीन्स व्हेन यू आर प्लानिंग, कोई भी ड्रीम है आप उसका प्लान तो करोगे ही करोगे, तो यू आर प्लानिंग, यू आर प्लानिंग, then heart is with that intensity you are actually praying for it, with intensity you are completely wholeheartedly doing that work, and with hands means you are taking actions on it, जो आप चाहते हो उसके लिए क्या एक्शन कर रहे हो। जब ये तीन चीजों सिंक्रोनाइज होते हैं, तीन चीजें एक साथ होती हैं, तो कोई ऐसी चीज है जो अचीव नहीं हो सकती, कोई ऐसा ड्रीम है जो मैनिफेस्ट नहीं हो सकता। सो यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन 3H on each and every dream list that you are having. So rhythm of heart becomes harmonious. So ये प्रिया ने कितनी बारी शेयर किया? प्रिया, why don't you share with you when you started with magic practice and how much difference you have seen in your singing and what happened, you can share that.
Like Nitesh himself is witness to this. Like both of us, we are kind of college mates. We did hotel management together. So he knows that I have this thing of singing. He knows that I like to sing. So college maybe like whenever we used to have any programs, I would always sing over there. And yeah, but we like in the magical sessions that we had, like this is my second round. In the previous sessions also, I used to just sing a few lines here and there just to connect with whatever has been shared and whatever has been given to us, kind of thing. So what happened was that like as and when I began to go deeper and deeper and deeper into this magic journey, as and when I began to write my gratitude statements more diligently, as in like I began to write my blessing statements diligently, I began to do my assignments. So ye karne ke baad I noticed that like there's a clarity in my voice. One thing, there is a peace which is there in me, like even though like there are so many things that I need to be tensed about, yet I'm like, okay, ho jayega, like there's this immense inner peace that I have now, touch wood. And as I already said, there's a clarity in my voice. And in it pehle kya hota tha ki na, like I have this thing of composing songs. I like to compose songs. So what would happen is, like I would get stuck somewhere. And now what is happening is this creativity is kind of increasing. And it's reflected in my singing, it's reflected in my composing, it's reflected in the cooking that I do. It's also reflected in the house. Like the house is more peaceful, the house is more calm, there is more positive energy, there's more vibration. And like as it and then like यहाँ पर like हमारे yard में ये कद्दू हमने डाला है, and ये custard apples हैं. The plant is giving us so much. So there's abundance, there is peace, there is all good things which is happening.
Yeah.
So all thanks to this magical journey.
Yes.
And all thanks to Miss Monica and Nitesh ji. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You could also feel the difference, previously she used to sing, अब कोई भी कुछ भी होता है तो क्या होता है कि she instantly composes and starts singing. That is also started happening. एक चैप्टर होता है तो मुझे मैसेज आता है कि मैम मैंने इसका ये बनाया, which is so amazing, that she is creating songs and she is creating this magical voice. It is really beautiful. So when you are full gratitude using your heart, आप खुद देखोगे कि उसकी इंटेंसिटी, उसकी मैनिफेस्टेशन अपने आप बढ़ जाती है. That is what is the most important thing, So it is really, really, really amazing. The intensity of gratitude improves when you know the role of heart comes along with the gratitude. So it
Mm.
becomes more intense, more focused, more concentrated. So that is the thing. So let us